Hello, traders. This is Dale Pinkard at Forex Stop Hunter. U.S. markets were closed for a national holiday today, President's Day, but markets still were able to trade European session carrying into what normally would have been U.S. hours in Asia as well. The first chart I'd like to discuss is the gold market. A lot of people are extremely bullish gold because we've had this big run from 1160 up towards 1327 at today's high. It's a new recovery high in the gold. I just want to point out that after an extended move like this and a move to new highs, what I look for is whether or not momentum is confirming. I believe there's potential between here and 1330, 1340 for some type of top that could give us a bigger correction than we've had all the way up. We've had pullbacks the way up. So looking for some type of shakeout after this peak. As you can tell, the RSI is below 70, so it's at least one non-confirmation that we have setting up here on the daily time frame. At times, it'll take both the 4 hour and 1 hour to be showing the same type of non-confirmations, and that at times takes a bit longer than a daily. Just keep that in mind. But the lesson that I want to teach today, while talking about the potential movements and my views of the precious metals, is something that is called relative strength. Okay, so as you see right here, the gold has made new highs. The next chart that I am displaying for you is a silver chart. And as you can tell from the silver chart and this current with today's action, we're not even close to the previous high in silver up at 1620. So as a trader, when I look at potential shorting opportunities, I want to be short the weakness on strength while it's going up, and I want to buy the strength on weakness because if you're shorting the strength, it's less forgiving. And that's why market correlations are important to know the correlation, see what your leader is and what your laggard is. And your laggard is your preferred short on strength. So silver, even if gold continues, may stall beneath $16 here, 15.95, 15.98, and then would have potential for another 70-cent decline, just like it had from the prior top. And I'm going to wrap it up with a little bragging rights here. Talked about GBT yesterday with everyone here and showed that trust. And we had a very strong day here in Bitcoin, as you can tell, up about 7-8% today. This was a continuation formation, the sideways motion we've had last week, and a breakout to new levels. What you'll notice on this chart is the RSI has a very extreme reading, well above 80. And the final lesson will be here that markets rarely peak when momentum is confirming, and the same as they rarely bottom when momentum is confirming. Good hunting, and remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Dale Pinkert at Forex Stop Hunter.